Hello there. This is Grandma Ray Don't Play. I'm Rachel. Okay? So, I want to talk to you a little bit. Is that okay? I have some notes. Okay, so the subject is, the word of the day is, why we choose to live. Why we choose to live. Now that's a pretty heavy sentence there. Why we choose to live. So let's see why we choose to live, huh? Why do you choose to live? Are we afraid of death? Some of us are afraid of death because we really don't know what's on the other side of death. I don't even know what's on the other side of death. But some of us just simply are not ready to turn life loose to go find out what's on the other side of death. We are afraid to check it out. You never know, right? But at any rate, you don't want to find out, okay? We are enjoying life. You know, maybe you have a good life, maybe you have your partner, or you have your children, or you have your animals, or you have your job, whatever keeps you going. Maybe you have that, and maybe it's just your TV that keeps you going. Whatever keeps you going, you don't want to turn that loose. You want to enjoy that some more and some more and some more. And as long as you have those things, whatever it is, you want to continue living. Okay? Okay. Do you think you will miss your loved ones if you passed? Or do you think your loved ones will miss you? My own personal opinion, I think that my loved ones will think about me from time to time. I don't think that once I pass that I would be in their head every single day, every minute. I don't think so. You know why? I'm not in their head every single day and minute right now. Nobody is in nobody's head every minute and day, every single day. We're just not. Okay, we do care about others, we do love them, but to say that you are constantly thinking about them 24/7, probably not. So do you think that they would remember you when you pass? Probably not. But you will be missed, I'm sure. Okay? You have no life insurance. That's some people's concern. They don't want to die because who's going to bury them? They have no life insurance, or they didn't make out their will, or they didn't pick out their plot. There's lots of reasons why we want to still live. Living is definitely a benefit over not living, right? Okay. You feel others need you for them to continue. So you may think, oh, well, my daughter won't survive without me, or my son needs me, or my husband is sick and he needs me. Well, that may be true, but I think that they'll figure out how to survive, and they will miss you, and they will miss your love and tender care, but I think that they'll make it if you pass, okay? So you want to live, for you, your reason is you want to live because they need you. Well, that's nice. I'm happy that you are really performing a great task so that you feel like you will be missed that much. That's really nice. Okay? Do you choose to live to give someone else hell? Whoa, think about that. So is your purpose for living is to harass people, bother people, talk about people, maybe get even with your ex, or I don't know, whatever your reasons are. Is that your reason for living? Really? Wow. Is that really a good reason? It's not. It's really something that you're going to regret later because, you know, vengeance is not yours, said the Lord. So it's not up to you to get even with somebody. Let God do that. Okay? Okay. We have a lot of good reasons to continue to live, but yet we drive over the speed limit. At times, you know, even though you know that if the cops stop you, that's a problem. You can't afford the extra car insurance because once you get caught, it raises your insurance rate up. Or you may have an accident, or you may even hit somebody and hurt them or kill them. You know, all of those things are things that we do, yet we want to still live. You want to live? Okay, stop some of that stuff because it's no rush to go anywhere. You're only going to go to the next light or to the next stop sign. So it's really no rush. Take your time. If you're late, you're late. If you're not, you're not. And I'd rather be late and not have a ticket instead of being late and having a ticket. Now you're going to have a bad day all day. Right? Okay. Are you okay with that? You want to live, right? Are you okay with that? I know you're saying, oh, no, it won't happen to me. My uncle, he was an alcoholic his whole life and nothing happened to him. Well, you don't know what happened to him because you weren't in his body and you weren't in the doctor's room with him. But I do know one thing. You're taking a chance on your own body. So think about that. Drugs. People take drugs because they want to escape reality. They want to escape whatever is bothering them. Maybe they was abused as a child, or maybe they was abused by a mate, or maybe they were raped, or I don't know, somebody called them stupid. Whatever the problem is in their head that's bothering them, they want to escape that. But the problem is you pay out the money for the drugs and you escape it only momentarily. It's still there tomorrow. It's not going anywhere. It's still there tomorrow until you deal with it, until you accept it and move on. Okay? You can accept it with help, or if you think you don't need help and you think you can do it on your own, give it a shot. Either way, you can do something about that, okay? Because you want to live, okay? And when you do the drugs are working on your organs. Don't think that they're not. They're not going into your body freely and not doing anything. No, it's definitely working on your organs, okay? And so there's the consequences for that. You don't want that consequences, do you? Oh, please. I don't think so. Okay, so let me stop here. I'm going to continue with part 2 because I want you to really think about, if you want to live, how you have to make some changes. And this next segment coming up, oh, I'm going to go all the way in on the reasons why you want to live. You don't want to miss it, okay? Check out the links below. If you would like to support this channel in any way, please feel free to do so, and I appreciate that. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video. Share the video with others because everybody needs to hear this message. This is a message for everyone. Okay? And subscribe if this is your first time on this channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.